I'm gonna show you how to make fat legs in Roblox in 2026. Okay. First, I don't know. Then second, I know. Let's do subscribe. You don't have to. You don't have an avatar, right? Wait. And put in full body, and you may also like go to Danny and full body and right leg apply, and you just put like this, and left leg apply and stop it. Second, and you full body again, and you make woman avatar and put it full body and right leg apply and don't put it, and left leg apply and don't, and now okay. But you may also like to have a faces. That's it. Bye bye guys. Bye bye. That's it. But I don't know what's next. Look at this. It's fat now. Bye bye mga kapudi. Bye mga guys. So i-Tagalog ka pa. Alam niyo na nga lang mag-English. Yung hindi marunong. Bala kayo dyan. Kopyain nyo na lang yung hindi marunong mag-English guys. Bye bye.